Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yup, let's just get into it right now. We could see that Bitcoin having an amazing day today, as we can see rallying all the way back up to $22,920. And a big congratulations to all the premium gold members in the Discord who followed my trade signal. You guys made over 100% today following that trade. If you entered it around $20,750 is where we entered, and we rolled it up all the way to $20,880, securing a 100% profit with 10x leverage. Now we can see that we are coming back down right now. We are in a bit of a short, and again in the money as well, almost in the money, about 10% right now. So let's just see how that one plays out. But again, we're still expecting some more upside, but doesn't mean we can profit from the short-term swings in the market. Now right now, a quick word from our sponsors, which is Big Get Trading. The link is in the description. That's where I do all my crypto trades with leverage. If you guys want to do leverage trading, that's where I recommend signing up. Lots of liquidity on their platform, and you know, it helps to support the channel. So if you guys want to help to support the channel, the link's in the description. But yeah, overall a great day today, as we can see the Nasdaq rallying over 4% and the S&P 500 rallying over 2.5%. But again, why was the news, or what happened today, right? Well, you know what, the FOMC came out and raised the rates. Sorry, I shouldn't say the FOMC, I should just say the federal fund rate was raised to 2.5%. Then they had an FOMC press conference after, which was really what, you know, decided to push the markets up and really push Bitcoin to over $23,000 today. And Jerome Powell is essentially saying that you know, we are not near the top of interest rate hikes, but it's falling in their expectations, and the market really like to hear that. And lots of reassurance, and especially with the rate hike coming in at 75 basis points, but that was already priced into the market. The market already priced in over 100 basis points. But next meeting, most likely we're probably going to get something along the lines of 25 basis points, maybe 50 basis points, right? It's going to be a big reduction in the interest rate hikes, in my opinion. I think we're going to see a little bit of a reduction in inflation in the coming months, but ultimately I think inflation will still be on the rise for the coming months and years, like let's say 6 months, 12 months down. I still think inflation will keep trending towards the upside, and the Fed is going to have to choose between fighting inflation and fighting employment, because I also believe that unemployment will be on the rise as well because of all these rate hikes. They will cause mass layoffs. But let's just see what happens. Again, these are long-term predictions. I don't have a crystal ball, and I don't want to entice anyone to make any financial decisions. Again, none of this is financial advice, but yeah, let's keep going. Let's do some analysis. Where is Bitcoin going right now? Again, we just broke through that $21,800 level. Could it come back down and retest this level? Absolutely. We have a big green vector candle right here, which is Trader Reality's indicator. Big thank you to Tino for creating this indicator. Absolutely amazing. So if we do come back down, again, I think we could recover this vector candle all the way down to 21,500. And tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. we have the advanced GDP quarter over quarter announcement. So we're going to see if we're going to have growth in the economy or a contraction in the economy. So right now they're forecasting 0.4% growth. In my opinion, I think we are going to get a contraction, and you already know 2 quarters in a row of negative GDP growth, that gives you a recession. But the White House and Jerome Powell and basically the entire Biden administration is trying to redefine the word recession, and it means they're saying that it's not 2 quarters in a row that defines a recession. It's a multitude of factors. Well, you know what, everything is almost in a contraction right now. There's layoffs and there's big, you know, contractions in a lot of the sectors, and that should already tell you that we are in a recession. They are just in a massive denial. So I'm not gonna get into it. I'm gonna make a video yesterday. It's gonna be pretty funny, and I'll just show you guys what they're saying and what's happening in the economy. And if it's not negative growth tomorrow, I'd be extremely surprised that we are not in a recession. But we'll keep going right now. So we do have some vector candles to recover on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour as well. And right now This one on the 1 hour comes all the way down to 21,617. I don't think we have one on the daily. None. We already recovered the one that on the daily perfectly. As you can see, it then reversed all the way back up. No red vector candle. We still have a red vector candle right here all the way up to 26,600. So we still have to recover that one. Going to be looking for that one as well, so keep your eyes peeled. And again, we have one up here as well, 34,000, but I'm not so sure that we are going to be reaching that one in my opinion. But let's just see what happens tomorrow. Again, that GDP number is going to be moving the market, so just be ready. And let's take a look at the crypto market cap, something that one of our members requested in the Discord. You guys can always do that if you wanted me to take a look at something in my videos. I can definitely do some analysis for you all. And let's take a look right here. And we can see that if we do get a pump in the crypto market, you know, the market cap of all cryptos is right now at $1.026 trillion. If we do start to come up, you're going to see some resistance around 1.4 trillion, 1.3 trillion, depending on when you make contact with this trend line right here. Again, surprisingly, we actually came back down and retested the 2020 highs. It did not pierce the 2020 highs, or sorry, I shouldn't say 2020, I should say 2017 or 2018 highs, when we had that big market rally in the crypto space, and the price just came down right to $761 billion is where we stopped. We bottomed out. Essentially, that's where Bitcoin bottomed out as well, and we start to reverse back towards the upside right now. So we technically have not pierced the 2018 highs for the total crypto market cap. But yeah, overall, I still think you know, Bitcoin is going to trend up, which means all cryptos are going to trend up as well. And a lot of the cryptos are getting some massive movements towards the upside today. I believe Aave getting a huge pump towards the upside, actually coming into some resistance right now, right at $95.03. And Ethereum Classic, man, Ethereum Classic pumping up over 30% today in one single day. Absolutely crazy. Again, I am mining this coin, but I am currently in a short position on Ethereum Classic. So just because I'm mining it, you know, I'm not biased. I don't want it to, obviously if it would go up all the time, that'd be great, but that's not the reality of the situation. You know, I am in a bit of a short right now, no leverage of course, and you know, we are probably going to run into some resistance around $38.40, but right now it looks extremely overbought. A healthy pullback would not be the craziest thing ever, but let's just see how that one plays out as well. Natural gas, nothing too crazy there, but yeah, overall a wonderful day in the markets. Nasdaq pumping up. All my tech stocks our entire stock portfolio was up as well today, coming back into some green, turning some red positions into some green positions. So if we get some more green tomorrow, we're definitely going to exit more position and take some off the table. Always pay yourself. Don't forget to take those profits, guys. I know a lot of people forget that they never secure their gains, and then they end up not making any profits. And right now you can see that the SPY filled that gap beautifully, coming in at as a high of 402.54 cents, and then ultimately coming back down near the end of the day. But overall, we are at resistance right now. I wouldn't be surprised if they announce a recession tomorrow and then the SPY starts to tank a little bit. But we'll see what happens. The SPY being announced into a recession could actually be some bullish news as well, because the markets are going to be pricing in rate cuts in the future, because that means, you know, historically speaking, every time we enter a recession, the Federal Reserve cuts the rates, right? And going into recessions, we actually have strong employment numbers, right? We all usually do. You can take a look at past recessions. We have strong employment numbers. I still think that will change. I think we are going to have a lot of negative numbers regarding unemployment. I think unemployment is going to be on the rise, and you know, there's going to be mass layoffs and stuff. But yeah, a lot of people are fighting me on that. And we can take a look at the DXY as well, getting a big pullback today on the announcement of the federal. The federal fund rate being up 75 basis points, and after that a big reversal. You can see that right here on the shorter time frames. Got a big pump towards the upside and then a big reversal. So it looks like the algorithms pushed it up there, and then we start to come back down. But yeah, overall looking very good. If the DXY does start to break this level right here, you can see that you have a little bit of support coming in at 106.3, If we do start to break that, you could probably take a look at lower levels like 105 or 86, and after that you could probably take a look at 103.82. Okay, so that's nice. Hope everyone had a wonderful day today. It's kind of hard not having a wonderful day when the entire market is up, especially when the Nasdaq is up 4%. And I think I want to finish it off by just taking a look at some moving averages right here, the 200 weekly. So we are still, let's take a look where the 200 weekly is. Actually, the 200 weekly is at 22,791. So we are underneath that 200 weekly still. We have not closed a weekly candle above it, but in my opinion, I still think we have a really good chance of closing a weekly candle above the 200 weekly and ultimately going back up to 26,000, and maybe, who knows, maybe we'll go back up to 30,000 as well. But a lot is going to depend on what the GDP numbers are going to be tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. So please be there. Get up early, get a pot of coffee, and just sit in front of your computer and get ready to look at that data and make some trades. Okay, all right, thanks for listening, everyone. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to join the Discord, see my crypto trades, my stock trades, and my crypto spot trades, which, by the way, let me reiterate again, I have two different types of crypto trades in the Discord. I do leverage trades and spot trades, so some without leverage for people who don't do leverage trading, because we did have a request to not do leverage trading. So that one is actually extremely profitable, and the leverage trading is very, very profitable as well. But if you're going to follow the spot trades, if you use leverage, you will most likely get liquidated or run out of capital to add to your positions, because we average into our spot positions, right? Sometimes we'll time the bottom with the spot positions as well, but you know, if we'd have to average in, you probably won't be able to, because I get a lot of messages from people saying, oh no, I followed the spot trade with leverage and now I can't get out. What do I do? I don't know what to do. I would never do that, right? I would never enter a huge position with so much leverage, and you know, especially if it's like a no leverage trade for me. So I don't know what to do. So if you guys do that, that's your mistake. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to learn from it. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Peace. If you guys want to sign up for Big Get Trading, links in the description. And if you want to sign up for my Discord, the links in the description as well. Don't forget to smash that like button.